Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, this was from last night. It's dry already. Craziness. And that pearl, oh my. I can't wait to put some varnish on this. It's going to be spectacular. So I got some really cool effects. And it seems like the colors deepened as it dried. So I'm really super happy with this piece. So tonight is the night. I'm so excited. I could not wait to use this spinner. I'm excited about it. I've got a 20-inch round I'm going to be working on. And this is the spinner I got from Leah Wolff. I did cover it with press and seal, and I do have my FluidArt company. This actually grips the, I'm hoping it does anyways. Where's my top? Here it is. I have to, there's a hanger at the back of this, so I got to make sure my orientation is right on. So I'm going to use that little dot up there as my guide. So I am going, I'm excited about this one. I'm going to do a bloom. Not quite sure. It's going to be, I'm going to do a bloom, but it's not going to be a bloom. It's going to be different. So I'm going to put down my multi-pro paint. All right, that should be enough for now. Let me give that a little spin. Whoa, Wilbur, yeah, that's a lot. All right, we do need some paint to blow. And I'm gonna do the bad thing, so don't look. Not supposed to do that. Oh well. So here's colors. My color palette for tonight. This is that mix that I made with Glisten and Amsterdam greenish blue. This is Caramel Drizzle. This is Hustle. Love that color. Almost as much as I love my ore. Here it is. And this is that gray toning pinkish from Atelier. I think it's Atelier. Then we have Blue Eyes. And then we have Supernova. And I have 3 cell activators. Now my black was really thin on my test. Oh, Jesus, I didn't realize. Dude, you're a goner, I'm sorry. Oh, Lord. Anyhow. Yeah, my test tile, the black was a little thin, and you can tell when it starts to, you know, go, when it takes off on its own. So I just added some more oxide black from Amsterdam. This is with, that is with Australian Floetrol. This is Blue Black by Atelier. And I think I have some Prussian blue in there too. And I also have white. It's titanium white from Amsterdam. All right, so let's get going on this. Now I want to try to make this a minimalist piece. Think about that, Michelle, minimalist. All right, here we go. I have issues with putting too much paint down. So I'm gonna go in that order. Oh, I thought that was another bug. It's just some caramel drizzle. I'm excited. Oh. And go. Supernova. Let me put these all back where they belong in their pig pen. Come up with some storage solutions in my studio I'm really happy about. Aldi's has these. They're under the counter kind of baskets, and they're like 2 for $8.99. So head on up to Aldi's. Now I am going to put, God, I hope this works, because this was 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I usually do, I like my cell activators pretty thick, so I count to 5. So I bring it up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then when it starts coming back up, that's when you know. And then here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it's bouncing back up onto the spoon. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's, maybe it's a little. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you know what? Maybe that's the one that was. I'm going to put some more in, just for giggles. There we go. Got them all separated by brand. So I'm going to make sure. Now, when you're putting paint into something that's already mixed up, tap it against the side to mix it up better, and then give it a good stir. This could have been the one that was thin. See, good thing I tested it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's coming out now. Just make sure it's all stirred in there, because I didn't stir it a whole lot. Oh, there was a clump. Perfect. All right. These colors have been mixed up for a while, so they shouldn't be bubbling up too much. And we're gonna start out with, you know what, I'm gonna put just a little bit, All right, I said I wanted minimalist, right? So I'm going to start with the black. It looks really pretty on the Supernova. Then the white. Then the blue-black. Okay, and away we go. I'm going to give it a blow dry, high fan, cool. Stop. Oh my Lanta. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. Oh, me likey. Let me grab. I love this paint. This paint is to die for. Now, this spinner, or the topper for the, stays on. It's really remarkable. Might not have to do too much to this. I might be done shortly. I couldn't hope for anything better. Now I've got this going here. I might straighten that out a bit. And there it is. I don't even think I'm going to straighten that out. I'm going to leave it just the way it is. There's a lot of bubbles. Do I want to do something here? Maybe there's some color under here. Oh, am I gonna mess it up? That's not bad. I'm such a wimp when it comes to this stuff, eh? What do you guys think? This is spectacular. All right, I'm gonna take you guys down for a close-up in just a few momentos. Do I wanna do anything to this? What a wimp. And I think I wanna do it to this one too. Okay, that's enough. That's it, that's all. I'm not gonna touch that. I love that the way it is. Oh, the gold's coming up. Oh. All right, guys, I'll be back in just a few. Oh, guys, I am in love with this. The colors are just, they're perfect. Just love it. Just enough brightness and enough of the neutrals. That's what I'm kind of going with these days. Bright and neutral mixed. So look at the lacing. I really like that spinner. Or the topper for the spinner, I mean. It's just a cake spinner, but the top is just amazing. So look at this. So that's the, see how it switches? It changes from pink to blue. Supernova. And then when it's mixed with black, like right here, it turns like a navy blue. So there's not, I didn't do a whole lot to this one. Please don't drop the phone, Michelle. And there's a few bubbles. They're mostly in the white paint. Whoops, don't even know if you can see them. Yeah, there's a few bubbles. I hope they dissipate. I didn't have any problems with this paint before, so yeah. You guys will have to let me know what you think. Beautiful lacing. I almost did a loop-de-loop, but knowing how bad my loop-de-loops are, I just decided not to. And this right here is my favorite part. Whoosh. Whoosh. Oh, I'm making you dizzy. This is kind of one of my other favorite parts. Right in here. All right, so that's it for tonight. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now.